I'm Kruti Carsane, and I am a senior manager of product management here at Pendo. I've worked on a number of things at Pendo, but my latest project is figuring out how we get the best analytics possible for our customers that are implementing, deploying, or launching AI agents. An AI agent can mean a lot of different things to a lot of different customers. Most of what you'll see people doing is building either agentic workflows, or they're building conversational interfaces where you type something in and you get an output, and that's helping you do things faster. And so when we talk about AI agents, we think about it from the perspective of an interface where you can interface with an LLM model. When we first saw that first UI, that conversational AI that was built on top of a model and that took off like wildfire, we all knew something was going to change in the software world. There were a lot of different updates that happened that sort of 10x the ability that these models have over time. And when we saw that, we realized that the horizon for change wasn't 10, 15 years from now, but it was something that was probably going to happen fairly soon. A lot of the digitization of the workflows that we see today in software, we're basically taking physical manual things that people are doing and then trying to figure out how do you digitize this. And the transition to now is, now you've got a conversational thing, right? Where you can go in and say, here's the thing that I want done. And when you do that, the agent or agentic worker then goes and does things for you and then comes back with the results. What nobody's thinking about is, how do I know if people are using this, and how do I know if things are faster because people are using this? And that's really where the idea for agent analytics came from. It's this concept of, can we help users understand if these conversational AIs are actually making things easier for their users or not? So Pendo's agent analytics is the ability for you to actually capture information of how users are interacting with your AI agent to tell you the types of questions users are asking, whether or not their success within the context of those questions that they're asking, what their intent was, and whether or not they were able to accomplish that goal. And then furthermore, if those different use cases that they're trying to fulfill are actually leading to adoption of the AI that you've put in front of them. If you think about the conversational bit, right, we're saying that the workflows that people do today in your application are going to be replaced by conversation and an agentic worker doing the things that you want them to do. Then you need to be able to see, is it faster to do the conversational bit than it is to do the actual steps and clicks and things that people are currently doing? Is it actually better to replace the current thing that people are doing? And that's what Pendo is able to provide. And so we've got what we're releasing now, but there's a much broader vision around what we're hoping to do with agent analytics. The last 10 years, we've been focused in understanding what user behavior looks like. We've developed things like paths, funnels, session replay. And these are the types of capabilities that will enable you to get the next level of insight around what it is that people want to use your AI agents for.